Your smartphone is a window to your life. It holds your secrets, your photos, your memories, and your most personal moments. Every text message, every email, every social media post is a piece of your digital identity. This small device is a repository of your daily activities, your thoughts, and your interactions with the world. It's not just a gadget, it's an extension of who you are. Your conversations, your financial information, and even your health data are stored in this tiny device. From banking apps to personal diaries, your smartphone knows more about you than you might realize. It's a digital vault that holds the keys to your life. But what happens when this vault is breached? What happens when someone else gets their hands on your most private information? But this window can be shattered. Hackers are out there, and they are constantly looking for ways to exploit vulnerabilities in our digital lives. They are skilled, they are persistent, and they are always on the lookout for new opportunities to infiltrate your digital world. They can break into your smartphone without you even knowing it, turning your most trusted device into a tool for their own gain. The threat is real. Smartphone hacking is on the rise. Every day, new methods are being developed to bypass security measures and gain unauthorized access to personal data. The statistics are alarming, with millions of people falling victim to these attacks every year. It's a growing problem that affects everyone, regardless of age, profession, or location. Millions of people fall victim every year. The impact of these attacks can be devastating. Imagine waking up one day to find that your bank account has been drained, your personal photos have been leaked, or your identity has been stolen. The emotional and financial toll can be overwhelming, leaving victims feeling violated and helpless. The consequences can be devastating: identity theft, financial ruin, even blackmail. These are not just abstract threats, they are real dangers that can have a profound impact on your life. Victims of smartphone hacking often face long-term consequences, including damaged credit, legal issues, and ongoing harassment. It's a nightmare scenario that can happen to anyone. We need to wake up to this danger. Awareness is the first step in protecting ourselves. We must understand that our smartphones are not just convenient tools, they are also potential targets for cybercriminals. By recognizing the risks, we can take proactive measures to safeguard our digital lives. We need to understand the methods hackers use. From phishing scams to malware, hackers employ a variety of techniques to infiltrate smartphones. They may send seemingly innocent messages that contain malicious links, or they may exploit vulnerabilities in apps and operating systems. By educating ourselves about these methods, we can be better prepared to defend against them. We need to learn how to protect ourselves. Simple steps like using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly updating software can make a big difference. Installing reputable security apps and being cautious about the links we click on can also help. It's about creating a digital fortress that makes it harder for hackers to break in. This essay will expose the secrets of smartphone hacking. It will delve into the techniques used by hackers and the ways they exploit weaknesses in our digital defenses. By understanding their tactics, we can better protect ourselves and our loved ones from becoming victims. It will equip you with the knowledge to safeguard your digital life. Knowledge is power, and by arming ourselves with the right information, we can take control of our digital security. This essay is not just about highlighting the dangers, it's about empowering you to take action and protect what matters most. But be warned, this information is for educational purposes only. It's important to use this knowledge responsibly. The techniques discussed are meant to help you defend against attacks, not to carry out illegal activities. Misusing this information can have serious legal consequences. Using it for illegal activities is a crime. Cybercrime is taken very seriously by law enforcement agencies, and those who engage in it can face severe penalties. It's crucial to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Use this knowledge to protect yourself and others, not to cause harm. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Your smartphone is a powerful tool, and with the right precautions, you can keep it safe from those who seek to exploit it. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and take control of your digital life. Phishing is one of the most common ways cybercriminals gain access to sensitive information. It's a method that has been around for decades, yet it remains incredibly effective. The reason? It preys on human psychology and our inherent trust in communication that appears legitimate. Hackers craft messages that look like they come from trusted sources, such as banks, social media platforms, or even friends and family. These messages often contain urgent requests or alarming information designed to provoke an immediate response. It's simple, effective, and devastatingly easy to fall victim to. The emails or messages often contain links to fake websites that look almost identical to the real ones. These sites are designed to capture your login credentials, credit card numbers, or other personal information. These attacks prey on human trust and trick you into giving away your personal information. Imagine this scenario. You receive an email that looks like it's from your bank. It has the bank's logo, the same color scheme, and even a similar email address. The email informs you that there has been suspicious activity on your account and urges you to update your account information immediately to avoid any issues. The message is designed to create a sense of urgency and fear. You receive an email that looks like it's from your bank. It asks you to update your account information. You click the link provided in the email, which takes you to a website that looks identical to your bank's official site. The website has the same layout, the same fonts, and even the same images. Everything looks legitimate. You enter your username and password thinking you are securing your account. But in reality, you've just handed over your credentials to a hacker. The fake website captures your information and sends it directly to the cybercriminals. They now have access to your bank account and can drain your funds or use your information for other malicious activities. This is just one example of how phishing works. The tactics can vary, but the goal is always the same: to steal your personal information. Phishing attacks can come in many forms. Text messages, social media messages, even phone calls can be used to trick you, and just like that, you've been phished. The consequences can be severe, ranging from financial loss to identity theft. It's crucial to be aware of these tactics and to know how to protect yourself. Phishing attacks can come in many forms. Text messages, social media messages, even phone calls can be used to trick you. The goal is always the same: to steal your personal information. Always be cautious when you receive unsolicited messages asking for personal information. Verify the source before clicking on any links or providing any information. Look for signs of phishing, such as generic greetings, spelling errors, and suspicious URLs. If something feels off, trust your instincts and double-check with the supposed sender through a different communication channel. Remember, your personal information is valuable. Protect it by staying informed and vigilant against phishing attacks. The more you know, the better you can defend yourself against these deceptive tactics. Spyware is a type of malicious software that hides on your phone and steals your information. It operates in the shadows, recording your every keystroke, capturing your screen, and tracking your location, all without you ever knowing. How does it get there? Sometimes it's downloaded unknowingly from malicious websites or through infected email attachments. Other times it's installed directly onto your phone by someone with physical access. Imagine this. You leave your phone unattended for a few minutes. A malicious actor gains access. They install spyware. Now they have complete access to your personal data, your messages, photos, contacts, everything, all without your knowledge. Section 4. Danger in the air. Fake Wi-Fi hotspots. Free Wi-Fi. It's tempting, especially when you're on the go. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or just out and about, the allure of free internet access can be hard to resist. Coffee shops, airports, hotels, and even public parks often offer free Wi-Fi, making it easy to stay connected no matter where you are. But what seems like a harmless convenience can quickly turn into a hacker's playground. These seemingly innocent networks can be a hotbed for cybercriminal activity. Hackers can easily set up fake Wi-Fi hotspots that mimic legitimate ones, tricking unsuspecting users into connecting. Once connected, your personal information is at risk. Fake Wi-Fi hotspots are a common tactic used by hackers to intercept your data. These rogue networks can be set up in minutes, and they often have names that are nearly identical to the real ones. For example, a hacker might create a network called coffeeshop_Wi-Fi, right next to the legitimate coffee shop Wi-Fi. The difference is so subtle that most people wouldn't notice. Imagine this. You're at a coffee shop. You connect to the free Wi-Fi. You might be catching up on emails, browsing social media, or even doing some online shopping. It feels safe and convenient. After all, everyone else is doing it, right? You think you're safe, but you're not. The reality is you could be connecting to a fake hotspot without even realizing it. These fake networks are designed to look and feel just like the real thing, making it nearly impossible to tell the difference. A hacker has set up a fake hotspot with the same name as the coffee shop's Wi-Fi. They might be sitting just a few tables away, or they could be operating remotely. Once you connect, they have a direct line to your device. Now they can see everything you do online. They can monitor your activity in real time, capturing every keystroke, every click, and every piece of data that passes through your device. This includes sensitive information like login credentials, personal messages, and even financial transactions. Every email you send, every website you visit, every password you enter, it's all visible to the hacker. They can use this information to steal your identity, access your accounts, and commit fraud. The consequences can be devastating, both financially and emotionally. They can steal your login credentials, credit card information, and other sensitive data. This can lead to unauthorized purchases, drained bank accounts, and even identity theft. The damage can take years to repair, and the emotional toll can be significant. And you would be none the wiser. The hacker can operate in complete anonymity, leaving you unaware of the breach until it's too late. By the time you realize something is wrong, the damage has already been done. This is why it's crucial to be vigilant and take steps to protect yourself when using public Wi-Fi. Section 5. The Unknown Enemy Zero-Day Exploits. Zero-day exploits are the holy grail for hackers. They are vulnerabilities in software that are unknown to the developers. This means that there's no patch available, making them incredibly difficult to defend against. Imagine a hidden door in a fortress. The defenders don't know it's there, the attackers find it. They can now bypass all the defenses and enter the fortress undetected. That's what a zero-day exploit is like in the digital world. These exploits are often discovered by security researchers or, unfortunately, by the hackers themselves. Once a zero-day exploit is found, it's a race against time to patch the vulnerability before it can be exploited on a large scale.